Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In Came here. So today we're doing a Fox Lock hairstyle tutorial. I'm gonna walk you guys through the process of how I do my Fox Locks. I'm gonna start with parting our hair, and here is the product I'm using. I got this for 2,800 as at last year December. Okay, and this is what it looks like in a pack. And I just took one piece and I'm using I placed the one piece at the middle of the hair as you guys saw, and I'm using the short part to braid with our hair. Okay, so I'm going to braid it with our hair, and after braiding I'm going to take the longer part. This is what it looks like after braiding it. Okay, so I'm going to take the longer part of the hair and then open it up. You want to be careful if you're using this particular product I use in this video, because it's really soft and any smoothing it all cuts. So just be careful while you're using this one. So after opening it up, I'm going to start wrapping it. Okay, so I'm going to wrap till I get to where I want to stop. You can just wrap and cover only the part you braid, like only your natural hair that you braid, and just stop. Or you can, wrap all through, okay, till you exhaust the long parts of the hair. That's what I'm just doing here. Open up, wrap, open up, wrap, open up, and wrap. It is that easy, okay? So this is the method I use for my Fox Logs. This is how I do my Fox Logs, and let me know in the comment section if you like this method. Okay, so after wrapping to where I want to stop, I am going to use my bond. Okay, I'm using the ghost bond to secure that so that it will not unravel. Okay, I'm just going to drop a little there and then wrap it around just to secure it. So that is it. Okay, you can use the got to be spray to still spray it if you don't have the ghost bond, and it will still stay. So this is what the first one looks like. We're doing a short one today. I've done a longer ones in my previous video. Okay, so I'm just going to repeat the same process again for you guys to see, and that is it. Okay, this is my method of doing this hairstyle. It is simple. Okay, like I feel anybody can do this, and it doesn't really take much time as well. Okay, so guys, let me know in the comment section if this method of doing fox lock, if you like it and if you've tried it before. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, also guys, don't forget to like this video and share with your friends. Okay, also subscribe to my channel for those who have not subscribed. Please and please and please again, okay, your girl is begging you, please subscribe to my channel. It is very important. Okay, I have a goal this year, okay, of 1 million subscriber and even more. So you guys help that ministry. Okay, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on that bell notification so you get notified each time we have a new video on the channel. Okay, the white substance that is there that the ghost bond is leaving behind, if you've used this bond before, you know that it happens like this, but it's going to clear off when it dries off. Okay, you don't have to even use your blow dryer to blow dry it. It has to just dry naturally on its own and it will clear off. I use one pack to achieve today's look because it is short, and if you're going for a longer length like what I used to do before and the person's hair is long and you need to like wrap so much, you might need to use 2 pack of this. Okay, so that is what I used.
Through the night and morning, when the rain is pouring, you're the one I'm calling. You're my escape from my darkest days. And when the sun is shining, you know we out here riding, chasing the horizon with When you're loving me, you're loving me. It goes like. Look no further, look no further. Look no further. It goes like. Look no further, look no further. Look no further. It goes like. I never thought I'd find it. A love that feels so perfect. I can't even word it. Yeah, you make me lift up from the ground. I believe that we are more. All the world is looking for. Show them all we got it. Never look back, never let go. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain. Only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, you're loving me. It goes like. Look no further, look no further. Look no further. It goes like. Look no further, look no further. Look no further. It goes like. I believe that we are more. All the world is looking for. Show them all we got it. Never look back, never let go. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain. Only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, you're loving me. It goes.
So guys, we're finally at the last one, okay, and I still repeat the same process with all of the hair, okay. So after putting it, ensure you're also like rubbing it together so it stays put, okay, and everything just blends very well. Now this is what we have, guys. This is how it is. The hair is really soft, it is lightweight, and it is gorgeous, okay. Look at that. It is very, very beautiful, guys. I love this style so much, and it is beginner friendly as well. You guys let me know in the comment section if you prefer this method I use in this video, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed already. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Through the night and morning, when the rain is pouring, you're the one I'm calling. You're my escape from my